The hunger is becoming rather uncomfortable here.
Tell me.
How far away are you? You cannot be far. I am held captive by a wall of stone in the northeast of the mine. As in any drama, there are many roles to be played. You must act the scientist in mixing potions, act the renegade in plots of destruction. On your travels for the tools with which you will fashion my rescue, you may discover the place of my last meal. Be careful. The shiny, solid floor of water is not as solid as it seems. Poor Red was almost swallowed whole. The two foolsy men who plummeted into my domain have long since departed, though not I expect from whence they came. I ate ravenously of biped meat that day, but Red promises feasting only began when the man became pungent, when the stench of life had gone, and only the sweet aroma of decay remained.
Crazy bastard. Okay, well I just booked it past 2 people. I have no idea where I am. Okay, so this is section B. That's better. Storage, chemical storage, section B, section B. So both those lead to section B. I'm thinking I'm going to go to the chemical storage and other storage. I'm going to go to the storages first. And then check out section B. And hope that the storages are not locked. Okay, so I'm apparently off the map. But that's fine. So I just need to go that way, go down. I'll take my first right, and then I'll go right and right. I'll right and right it. I'm just gonna run past dogs because apparently they're retarded and they can't see me. This way is north. No, it's the sitting area, right? So right. Well, not that they can't see me, but they don't do shit about it. Don't see me yet. I don't know where I am. Okay, one too much. Up. It's locked from the other side. Okay, so the other storage is probably locked too, but I gotta test it out, of course. Okay, so storage is locked. Dog is like patrolling his ass off over there. Squad and squad. Okay, he's getting over here. Now he's over here. Oh, he saw me. What's up? What's up? Get juked. See what I mean? There must have been so many glitches in this game. This dog just didn't even go for me. Tried to dive through here, couldn't make it through here, and then just turns around. I don't know. I don't know if that's a glitch or I'm just epicing out the game or something. Okay, apparently this storage is not locked. Yeah, I don't know what's happening with these dogs, but I don't care. I've ran away from enough dogs to where I don't need to run from any more dogs. I'm happy if they just get stuck. Yeah, you've got to seal that door. How? You seal the door. Oh! Oh. Okay. Yes, I know. He's coming. No, gotta seal that door, gotta seal the door, gotta seal the door. Gotta run. Okay, don't fall. Don't fall. Oh, fuck. Okay, didn't fall. See that door. Bust! Bust! Bust faster, damn you! Come on. Come on, bust. Worth it. Well worth it.
Oh, my brain can barely imagine the feats of action man-like heroics you must be performing to save Old Red.
Yeah.
I am
Yeah.
waiting so close now for you to blow down the walls of my earthbound prison cell and release me from this mortal coil.
Yeah. Whatever you say. Come on. Yeah. Working it. Working it. Working it. God, these things are so hard to move in this game. The other Penumbra, Black Plague, and Amnesia is just like spin, 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 spin. But this is like, come on. Is it open? Oh, it's open. You can stop spinning now. Okay. Why was this locked? There's nothing in his way. Whatever. Okay, safe place. Chemicals. Chemical. Painkiller, please? No? Okay, well, fine. I'm down to one painkiller, but whatever. Chemical. No chemical. No chemicals. Dude, chemical. Jerky, which I don't really need because the dogs just run into a wall when they decide to want to chase me now. Nothing in here. Yep. And here, chemical. And boot. Must have the boot. Anything movable here? Chemical. Anything movable? Nope. Paper. That will read later. Flares. Chemical. I don't know if that's all the chemicals, but I think it is. I have a shit ton of chemicals. Do I mix them? No. I guess not. Letter. Magnesium, calcium, barium, chloride, phosphorus, and sodium. If I counted correctly, I should have all 6 chemicals listed in the note. Well, good. Chemical note? Okay. Do not forget badly administrated dopamine clouds frequently everything. B-A-D-C-F-E. Got it. B, do I mix B with D? Okay. Well, then I guess whenever I find a place that I can mix these chemicals together, that's the order I'm going. Because apparently he does not want to mix chemicals and shit. Okay. So it's safe. There, it's me. I'm inside that box. And outside it, I can't get things straight in my head. No, you can't. You never really do figure out what this is, do you? He just kind of says the same stuff over and over again. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, got all 6. Alright, so I guess there's nothing to mix it in here. I hope I'm right in assuming that there's nothing to mix it in here. And I'm going to go. Still don't know how that was locked from the other side, but fine, whatever. Alright. Now past the retarded dog over here that I can probably just walk past. Yep. Won't even recognize me. Okay, so I got the chemicals. There's the leg and incinerator and section B. I don't know, I'm gonna try section B, see what's in section B. And hope that that's right. Oop, wrong button. Just run all the way down. Door is jammed. That section's locked. Lucky me, the dogs still don't chase me. Let's try the other B. Let's run this way. Okay, yeah, up and around. I'm sure they would attack me if I just stand here, but so far it's been very nice just to run right past them and not give a crap. It's been very nice. Door's been forged shut, it will never open again, so I can't get through other section B. So let's let's try the incinerator? Why not? I don't think I'm supposed to go in there yet. Actually, let's go for the lake. See what happens by the lake. Yeah. I don't really want to go to any place that's called a lake, but let's do it. Yeah. God, these dogs are just getting sad at this point. What is this? Lake. Found it. Okay, like this way. Let's see if this one's retarded too. Nope. Wait. Yep. Some kind of reservoir. Let's try this way. There's a steam room, so if any dog was chasing me, you could probably kill it. Alright, to the lake. I don't know if I'm supposed to be going out in the lake, and I don't know if this is going to get me killed, but to the lake. I'm already not liking the look of the lake. Oh no. Ooh, some painkillers. Good. Last Will and Testament of Joe Freeman. Final thoughts. 10-10-0-0. I, Joe Freeman, would like to leave all my personal belongings to my sister, May, in the knowledge that she will distribute them wisely. We always used to say, better to die young than to never live at all. I guess we're going to get our wish. I know enough about survival to realize I won't be surviving much longer. Johnny O, my buddy, I just don't know. Alright. My left leg is broken in 3 places, and I suspect I may also have shattered my pelvic bone. Aren't you just a lucky one? 3 hours ago, after we'd set up camp, Jono set me off to Jono. Is it just Jono or John O? I don't know. Set off to find some usable timber for the fire. When he got back, he was very excited. I couldn't work out what it was that had got him so agitated, but I went along with it all the same. I should have recognized the signs. Soon after he got worse, he jumped me when I turned away, burying my face in the snow, trying to suffocate me. I still don't know what he found in the ice to enrage him so. Lucky for me, the ground gave way and we both fell. I landed hard on the ice and desperately crawled my way onto more solid ground. I was running on adrenaline, didn't notice the pain. I just knew that if I was going to die, I didn't want it to be in the frozen water beneath me. When you fall into a frozen lake, you don't just drown or freeze to death. Alright. Your whole body seizes up from the cold. Every instinct tells you to swim for the side, but your body won't let you. You gradually dip under the surface, your last breath expelled when you fell, but you don't drown there, and then your body shuts everything down, survives on what strength you have left. You can last for an hour just floating there, slowly dying. Well, that does sound horrible.